Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do something extreme, like Parker is extreme. So we're going to do something extreme with only ivory soap. So you'll need that and a microwave, which you probably already have. So let's get started. First, you unwrap the soap, and if you're just a kid watching this, I would get a parent to do this with you, because this is going to probably make a big mess. So it might take a minute or two to get your soap undone. Once your soap is undone, put it in your refrigerator.
It's not refrigerator.
Sorry, that's my sister talking. But you'll set it for 2 minutes. And once and you hit start. And then if you look closely, and if you wait long enough, it should explode. If it doesn't, that's okay. We tried our best. If it works for you, please comment and tell me what it did. And if it didn't, it's okay.
I want to come out.
It's exploding right now. And that is what it looks like. So, I hope you try out, have fun, please comment, and have fun. See you on the next one. And please subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one.